Hello guys. So in this video now I will show you. Let's begin with a game. So now I will make a simple game, a very basic game that you can try. Okay. Let's change the background first. So I'm choosing this background over here. Okay, and now I'm using one more sprite. So basically in this video you are learning that if we want to use more number of sprites at the same time, if we want their motion, then how we can do its programming. So let's see. Now I'm selecting a new sprite, so you can choose any sprite. Here I'm selecting this butterfly. Okay, and now see, we have two sprites here. Okay, so now I'm changing their size using this shrink. Okay, and this is my butterfly, and see, this is my cat. Now I'm making a game in which whenever this cat will catch this butterfly, then it will stop, otherwise it will run from here to here. Okay, so let's start the programming. So just click on the cat, that which is your sprite 2, and now I am programming for that. So what I have to program for it, I have to program that this will move from here and there like that. So again what we will do is just take some steps, move steps, and then I'm using the control forever. So this will make my cat moving forever. Okay, now what I have to do is, if an edge bounce, then it should be turned. So if on edge, it should be bounce. Okay, so if there is any edge, then it should bounce. Okay, so this is my code. Now what will happen, it will be moved like that. Now see, my cat is turning in this direction, down. So what I will do is just click on this eye option and make this as a left right. Now just click on this and we will get like this. So this is the way we have done programming on our sprite 2. So what we have to do is, now we have to program on butterfly. Now before that, just use your one more thing, which is events when flag clicked. So this will make that whenever we are clicking the flag, this cat will start its execution. Okay, now just do the coding over your butterfly. So just click on that and now see what will happen. We have done coding on our sprite 2 and now we are doing coding on butterfly. So I just want that whenever I click on up arrow key, then it should go in upward direction. If I clicked on right arrow key, then it should go in right direction. Similarly left and down direction. So what can I do is just go to the events block, and then we have when any key is pressed, and here I can select, there are so many keys, so I can select here up arrow key. And what should I have to do now, I have to just move some steps, and then before that I have to point in the direction upward. So I'm just going to the direction upward. Here we have four directions: right, left, up, down, and then I'm moving two steps. So I'm moving 100 steps, let's say. Okay, so when up arrow is key pressed, it should point in upward direction and moving 100 steps. Okay, now just duplicate this and duplicate it 4 times, because we want 4 different directions. Okay, so in this just make it down arrow and point in direction 180 down. Similarly, when right arrow key is pressed, point in direction 90 right. Similarly, when left arrow key pressed, point in direction -90 left. Okay, now just click on up arrow key or right or left or down. You will see the motion of butterfly in different direction. So this you have to handle. Okay, and your cat will automatically move from here and there, and you have to just save your butterfly. So this is your simple game, and now we are applying. But wait, what is our game, that whenever our sprite will catch this butterfly, then it should stop. Okay, so what can I do for this? Go to the sprite to coding, and here I will remove this forever block, and now I will choose another block from sensing where we have touching. So touching, and just choose here your butterfly. So if this is the condition that whenever we are touching your butterfly 3, so just go to the control part, and here we have repeat until. So just use this block and here apply this condition, repeat until your sprite 2 is touching butterfly 3, and then just move just blocks here. Okay, now your program is ready, and just click on that. Okay, now your cat is moving here and there, and you can control your butterfly motion using upward up arrow, downward arrow, left arrow, like that. So as this sprite touch this butterfly, it will stop. Okay, let's say I'm again starting it. Just use this whenever flag click, because this is very important here. So just click on that. Now my butterfly is moving here and there, so as it will touch, it will stop. Okay, so okay, so here it is moving like that. As it will touch the cat, or you can say sprite, then it will stop its motion. Sprite will stop its motion. Again, just try, it will stop. Okay, again start. Okay, now it catch. Okay, if you want to see its motion like that, just click here. Okay, and you will get this type of a screen. And now click over the flag. Okay, so just click over your flag and see what will happen. Your sprite is moving here and there, and you can move your butterfly like this. Okay, saving your butterfly from cat, or you can say from sprite. Okay, now as it will catch, it will stop. So this is your simple basic game, and you can make such games like this. Okay, in our next video tutorial we will see some more interesting games, and then you will be able to make such games like that.